If you're a Tesla investor or bull, now may not be the best time to be optimistic, but there is some good news to keep your faith alive. I believe in tech god Elon, and I assume you do too. In this video, I'll explain why there is reason to believe that Tesla stock will maintain the upward trend we've seen in recent days and finish the month with strong numbers. Tesla's stock price and customer demand have been declining recently, according to the most recent corporate data. Although there were concerns about the company's market demand, new information indicates that the company is still seeing healthy demand for its vehicles, so this is an opportunity you shouldn't pass up. Demand for Tesla is significantly more than it was only a few years ago, and as production ramps up, the growing acceptance of electric cars bodes well for Tesla and its rivals in retaining their market leadership. The Model Y is one of Tesla's best-selling models. As of the end of October, 87,936 had been sold, compared to 90,603 for the full year 2017. If you like this kind of thing, hit the like button and subscribe button. Investors were left wondering if Tesla is having demand issues because of lower than expected quarterly revenue. Since opening in March, Tesla's Berlin, Germany factory has been producing about 2,000 vehicles per week. The question is whether or not the success Tesla vehicles have had in various markets means the company doesn't have a demand issue. Let's find out. Elon Musk, the CEO, has expressed his aim for yearly sales growth of about 50%. However, this year's forecast is expected to fall just short of that goal. The great majority of Tesla's car offerings are doing well across all of the company's international markets, according to data showing that automakers sold about 200,000 models globally in the third quarter, increasing the total to nearly 500,000. This means that in October, Tesla's Model Y overtook long-standing top sellers in the world rankings. This shows that the SUV is moving in the correct way. According to the China Passenger Car Association, the Model Y was the best-selling SUV in China in September. It also sold 2,967 Model Y cars, which was 227 more than it did during the same period last year. In Germany, 3,878 new Tesla Model 3 registrations were made this month alone, and a Bidesong came in second. Since most gigafactors have seen a large increase in vehicle production, Tesla requires a higher ranking than this one. Model Y output has significantly increased at the Shanghai factory thanks to recently installed manufacturing line improvements. The decline in Model Y stock in the US market could be explained by Tesla's latest price cut. Tesla has recently lowered the price of the Model 3 in the US as a delivery credit for Tesla vehicles that are already on the market. Tesla's competitiveness may suffer, and the company may see a decline in demand as a result of the Model 3 and Model Y, two of its most popular vehicles being produced at the company's vital Shanghai Gigafactory. This could slow down Tesla's second biggest. Since it was previously reported that Tesla intended to continue producing the Model Y electric crossover at the Shanghai Gigafactory for an extended period of time, the current production halt may be related to the plant's planned output cut of roughly 30 in December 2022. However, if the Shanghai Gigafactory has been producing cars for international markets rather than prioritizing the needs of the local market, Tesla could avoid this issue. The market has exacerbated the company's inventory woes, which could lead to a decline in local demand as car sales decline in the months that follow. Just as Tesla's battery supply issues have improved over the last year, as suppliers have increased production by the end of the year, it is anticipated that the ultimate maker's growth in 2023 will be tightly tied to its capacity. Texas ought to have produced more each week than Pato. One recent achievement, even James Katz, who has previously criticized Tesla's 4,680 manufacturing, acknowledges that the bulls believe the automaker is doing better than expected with its cells. It's easy to criticize Tesla's 2020 fourth quarter promises unless one remembers that Tesla itself set ambitious timetables. This could suggest that the ultimate manufacturer has overcome some of the challenges it faced when attempting to increase the volume production of these battery cells. A Twitter user went on to say that when everything is considered and evaluated objectively, Tesla's work on the 4,680 is astounding. They also mentioned that people often forget that this is a completely new business for Tesla and that building batteries is difficult and requires a lot of technical know-how in order to produce lithium-ion batteries of the EV grade on a large scale. Despite only having 5 big producers worldwide, they generate 77% of the industry's entire output. Given what Tesla has achieved in the last 2 years, a new supply chain is needed in the current, highly concentrated economic environment. Despite Tesla's numerous unresolved issues, this battery technology is expected to reach current production in a few years. Let's have a look at this. How many 4,680 manufacturing cells has Tesla produced in total? According to the company's tweet, the 868,000 cells manufactured in the last 7 days were used in more than 1,000 electric cars. Previously, we heard that the facility produced a cumulative number of 1,004,680 type cells in February, and that was since production started in 2020. We don't know the current cumulative number, but with 10 months to go, it should be more than 10 million units. If we combine the most recent news with the information that Gigatas has planned to produce 3,000 Model Y cars per week for the first time, it turns out that no more than roughly one-third are equipped with 4,680 type battery cells. This means that the remaining 2,000 Model Y cars produced each week were long-range AWDB versions powered by the 2170 type battery cells. What do you think about this? Please share your thoughts about Tesla in the comments section below. Then hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the upcoming video.